real close by. Traffic is pretty bad here in Baguio, guys. It's probably better. It is Independence Day today.
I love that movie.
Independence Day, yeah.
That's Will Smith before he went crazy. Back when he used to just smack aliens.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, we're gonna go down again.
There you go.
Is there a big water finish? Do we hit the water and it splashes everywhere at the end?
Show over here. Look at that amount of people. Wow.
Go-kart track here.
Yeah, we can try one of those.
I don't know. I don't know that I'll fit on those. All right, we are here. 56 pesos on the meter.
Give that man 100.
He saved us a lot of
You
walking.
wanted me to walk down here. That's funny. That's funny.
Nope, it's for you. Thank you. Little carts. Let's check out the little go-karts over here, girls. Little three-wheelers, four-wheelers. Oh, crash. Got a crash. Oh, another crash. Bumper cars almost. It's like bumper cars. Oh, you can even get the big one here. The family one.
It's like real life Mario Kart.
Yeah, right.
Okay, you guys wanna try? Let's go. Let's do it.
Oh, I don't know. But I want to get one of those big family-sized carts. We can all go in the big one.
I want to run over everybody in the Haima. I want to take the Haima, just do donuts through here.
Bring the Haima in. These things have about as much power as the Haima.
Probably.
Like Fred Flintstone. Pretty cool.
Golly.
Oh, he ran up on the sidewalk over here. 30 minutes? That sounds like too much exercise for me. That sounds like work, not fun, right? Well, we can hang it up after 10 if we want. So here, you got a deal. How about 10 minutes? We only got like 10 minutes in us. We don't want a 30-minute run. 10 minutes.
20 minutes is good. 50.
Yeah. All right.
Would I even fit?
Try it first. Exercise.
All right. Let's try. There you go.
Yeah.
That fits.
Look at you, you can go backwards.
There's your brake. There's your hand brake. What are brakes for?
Where we're going, we don't need brakes.
The old number 16 for you.
Flux capacitor here.
Flux capacitor.
When this thing hits 88 miles an hour, we go back in time.
Yeah. All right. Ready to race, guys?
Yeah, we're ready. Come on, baby.
All right, let's do it.
Hey.
Let's go.
Let's go. Vámonos.
Lead the way.
Oh my, be careful, honey.
Watch out, don't run over him. He's really
Whoa!
going.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, we got locked up. There we go.
We got a little crash here.
Go.
Okay. So we're behind,
catch
Papi.
up.
We're
Gotta catch
behind,
up.
Papi.
I'm going. Coming up around you.
Come on, Drake. Race, race.
Oh,
Bye.
there they go. Like Ricky Racer on the outside.
This is so cool.
Cool for you, you're not pedaling.
Oh, there's a lot of people here.
Traffic jam.
Yep, traffic jam.
Traffic jam. It's hard for me to get going again.
A little bit.
Might as well just turn now.
Oh no, Papi. No, keep going.
Well, I can't. It's jammed up back here.
You're gonna be so hurt tonight.
Come on, 16. Hazel's way over there. There she goes.
There she is.
Go, 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 cut it.
Okay, Papi, raise them.
Yeah, we're all congested. This is like actually driving on the streets of Baguio here. It's how crowded it is.
Yeah.
Why did I ask for this?
That's okay, Papi. It's a good exercise.
Uh-oh, Mark got wedged.
Oh, there he is. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, Papi.
There we go.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Now we're free.
Whoa, 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 look. Look. He wants to crash. Look. Pass me. Bye, guys. See you later. See you in Angeles City. There's Hazel.
Just cruising.
That's a nice park. Look at the view, look at the mountains.
An Iron Man.
Heroes. The
Transformer.
heroes. Oh yeah.
It's the heroes.
That's Pikachu. Messing around with
Oh, there's
Pikachu.
Wonder
Look.
Wonder Woman too.
Tire.
Worked up a sweat.
Good jobbing.
I know you have a hard decision to make here, Mark. It's either going to be Bumblebee or Wonder Woman.
The robot or the Bumblebee or Wonder Woman. I wonder which one I'll pick. I've already made up my mind.
You've made up your mind. You're going straight to Bumblebee. Oh, a little bit.
I want a picture of Wonder Woman. How are you?
All right, there he is.
Hang on.
Hold on.
How much? You're so pretty. Oh, one more with
There's an iron scam.
yeah, the Iron Man. Keep us safe, Iron Man.
Keep us safe. All right, what'd you think about the cars, man?
It's pretty good.
The
It was
bumper cars.
Most exercise I've had in months.
In months.
Almost had me thinking about rooftop go-karts.
Oh man, giving up on the golf idea already.
I don't know if I got the room for that. Might have to stick with the putt-putt.
Hell, they got two of these things going on over here. I didn't even realize
a
that.
competitor.
Yeah, they have competition on this side for more carts. It's like a free-for-all with bicycles and everything going on over here. All right, we're gonna make our way down to the swan boats. More pedaling. Got to do some more pedaling down here with the swan boat.
Bibs.
Do what now?
I'm thinking we need some bibs for the hotel. Not for the kids, but for the adults. Maybe something like I ate the whole big Papi.
You got to have a bib on.
Yeah.
Kind of need a bib for that,
I
right?
ate the fat Drake and all I got is a bib.
All I got to show for it's this bib.
Yep.
This stinking bib.
The stinking bib.
I hear you. All right, girls are way ahead of us as usual. They don't like to stroll. They're on a mission. Get to these boats. All right, we're doing it. We're getting in the duck boat.
The duck boat.
We're going in the Drake. We're picking out this Drake. Looks more like a pterodactyl to me, but it's like a cross between a pterodactyl and a duck.
It's kind of it's a third cousin.
Third cousin to a duck.
Twice removed.
Twice removed. It's one of those Kentucky ducks. So one of them cousins. That's what you get as a result. Watch your head there.
Lives on the other side of the mountain.
Yeah, that's fair game. Yeah.
Duck, duck, goose to get in there.
Oh, they're putting you in the back.
All right. It's gonna go.
I gotta be in the front. All right, even it all out. Gotta even it out. I'll let you get in first of the. I have some more.
How strong is that? Here, hold my Gatorade.
All right,
Step on that.
there it goes.
Let's do this.
There.
Let's do that.
Asa ito?
You did it. You did it.
I'm in.
Oh. All right, I'll go in the front.
Do you want me to go there?
Pwede ba dito? Ah, okay.
So I can. We have to. You girls have to row.
No, we have a guy.
Oh, okay, guys coming.
Where's the guy first?
You got a kuya?
We got a kuya to row for us.
We have James.
Don't rock the boat. Don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat. Don't tip the boat over. Good, good, good. We got it.
Oh, this guy's brave.
Yeah, he's brave for you.
He's brave. Will you,
Let's relax.
can you hand me my pocket fisherman?
Your pocket fisherman? You gonna catch any fish out here?
Yeah, I got a feel there's some largemouth bass in here.
All right. We are off. We are off in the SS Minnow.
How deep is this water? 8 feet. 8 feet? I'll be alright.
I can go on this like 5 feet.
If I stand on Hazel's shoulders, I'll be alright.
Oh no.
She's always been my anchor.
All right. 8 foot deep on Hazel's shoulders. Mark can get some air.
I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Give her a garden hose to breathe with, right? A snorkel.
She'll be fine for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Damn, that's pretty good. We're going straight for this boat, though.
Yep.
We are getting ready to. There we go. You avoided the crash on the Titanic. We're gonna go down like the Titanic.
You ever seen the movie Titanic, do you? You ever watch Titanic? Let's try not to recreate that. If we do sink,
I'm gonna tell Kuya Lifeguard,
she's
follow
gonna be
me.
Jack. I'll be Rose.
No, I'm gonna call the lifeguard. Look.
Jack goes down, so this is Jack.
Only the captain goes down with the ship.
Both of us is.
Oh, they do have a lifeguard out here, don't they?
You know, I'd feel safer if that lifeguard didn't have a big 6-foot banner blocking his view of half the people.
Yeah. Yeah, it'd be better on top of the boat, wouldn't it?
Hindi ko yung mababa ko yan na. Oh my God.
An alligator.
No, we got an alligator. I like him.
B-boy.
There's the boat boy.
See you later, alligator.
He's waving at you.
She's wondering how the fat American fit on the boat. You say don't do this?
Don't do that.